Alright guys, welcome back for another quick one. Today, we got some more parts in. RcEvolution. What is it? It's some brass. Some brass for my 2.2 OMFs. See? No hub. So wouldn't it be ideal if you could get a piece of brass and a hub all in one? Like, would that not be the best? Instead of having to buy like brass and then hubs. Well, that's what these are. And there's one for every tire. Check this out. Pretty cool. Check it out, shiny. And on the other side, a wheel hex. So you put this in your tire, or your wheel, and then all of a sudden you get a rotor behind your wheel, piece of brass, and then you can put your wheels on. And if they add a little bit of weight, I think they're 68 grams a piece. They come with screws, but I am going to try and use scale hardware. So we'll see if they fit. The hardware, that is. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is 24. Okay. So we're gonna do a little test. See if the scale bolt fits in here, no problem. And it does. That's fantastic. Now, because this is brass, and this is who knows what kind of metal, and these are aluminum, we need thread locker. Okay. So I always go for this Horizon. Came with my builder's kit. It's really, really tame stuff. So we'll turn it upside down. Let it come down. Where are you guys at? There you are. And we'll just put a little drop in every hole. Just a tiny one. You'll notice this stuff's like a gel. That's what you want. You want stuff that's like a gel. So we'll do the one together. I'll tighten all these up properly after. There's the first one. First screw. You see it all? First scale bolt, I guess it would be. There it is. You can kind of see it. You'll get the idea. So, let's carry on. Don't let me forget to tighten these at the very end. So I'm just going hand tight right now. You can put this bit in a drill, or you can put it right in your hand driver. But I only use it for this, and then they get Loctited in and they never change. So So there's 6 per wheel. Fuck, that looks pretty good. Once you get them in there, have a look at that. Where's the reflection? It's got a mad reflection. Look at that. You can see the brake rotor through it. And the brass is in the back. And it's 9mm. If you're wondering what kind of offset I'm pushing. I'm just going to push these out 9mm. You can see they're almost like a front wheel drive style hub. They're not too much negative for them. Anyway, I'll get the rest of these thrown together and then I'll bring you back right at the end to do a show and tell, I guess. You can see that scale hardware really takes it to another level. Those are Predator trenchers 2.2, 5.75 inches tall. Can you guess what these are going on? I can. Like and subscribe, guys. Thanks very much.